Speaking of crypto, though, Visa wants to get in on it. We talked previously about how MasterCard was, I guess, the first to embrace it as far as the credit card companies are concerned. And it looks like Visa wants to jump in as well. This could be, I guess, good news for crypto. Payments giant has so far kept away from offering cryptocurrencies, but its users could soon buy Bitcoin directly using the service. So you could buy some Bitcoin directly with your Visa. This has been a really, what would you say, a lot of friction here trying to buy crypto, particularly with credit cards. A lot of credit card companies not super into the idea of it because they have rules around like taking out money versus like a cash advance type thing versus using it to buy something.
And you don't own the crypto, right?
Well, you do, but you also owe the credit card company.
I see.
You know what I'm saying here? Because you're going in debt to pay for it.
Uh-huh.
I'm explaining credit cards right now. I'm just saying they have rules around buying currency with credit versus buying a product with credit. And
right.
So anyway, they're moving into the crypto world. The firm is, I guess, changing their position. It's there's a space that Visa is looking to capture. We're trying to do two things. One is to enable the purchase of Bitcoin on Visa credentials. And secondly, working with Bitcoin wallets to allow the Bitcoin to be translated into a fiat currency and therefore immediately be able to be used at any of the 70 million places around the world where Visa is accepted. So it's not all that different from what MasterCard was saying. Mm-hmm. They still want to be involved in some degree of processing, and they're going to try to make a few bucks on it, right? Whether it's a conversion, transaction, however they're going to work it out. If there's money to be made, it's going to attract players. And as much as maybe the true crypto types might be like, screw Visa and MasterCard and fiat, and it's a reality of life right now that this stuff is moving in and out. Mm-hmm. And these are companies with a huge footprint that could really increase the adoption of these things and actually get these things a lot closer to a currency faster, an actual valid currency. So I think it's interesting.